I'm Scott Doan at Marinemax of Dallas, and we're going to take a look at the Sea Ray 210 SPX. So, first thing everybody notices about the boat, abnormally large cockpit for a 21-foot boat. They've done that by carrying that 8.5-foot beam width a lot further towards the front and a lot further towards the back than they used to. There's a nice sun pad on the boat. It does have a nice transom walkthrough, so you don't have any steps to go up and over when you're coming into the cockpit of the boat. Nice built-in cooler underneath the back seat. If this boat was equipped with an all-sport package, that would be your live well. Behind the captain's seat is a lift-out cooler. Behind the companion seat is another seat. Nice storage built in underneath. Both captain seats do have flip-up bolsters in them. A very nice in-floor ski locker. This boat was ordered with an upgraded stereo system. It has Rockford Fosgate speakers and head unit. It will have Bluetooth. There's also a USB plug and an auxiliary plug where you can plug your phone directly in. The SIMRAD unit is going to have a color GPS chart plotter. It's also going to have a downscan fish finder on board for you. Moving up to the front of the boat, nice wraparound seating, storage underneath both of the bow seats. Non-skid underneath your front seat as well as non-skid up on the bow, so if you pull your boat directly into a slip, you can just go right out the front without having to worry about backing it in. This boat also has a watersports tower on it that is folding, so you would just fold your bimini top away, unscrew the two knobs right here, the tower would just fold down. Storage underneath your transom walkthrough as well. Hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough of the boat. If you have any questions on this or any of the other boats that we have in stock, pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom and see us. We look forward to talking to you soon.